Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to prioritize foreign currency variance posting rules in NetSuite. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials, and let's get started. So first thing I will do, I will go to Setup, Accounting, Foreign Currency Variance Posting Rules. So you can click on Prioritize Rules, but first let me create a second rule so you can see it in action. Okay, I'll just quickly select something. I have a video explaining exactly that screen if you're looking understanding better how to create them. So if we're in the list, now I can go to Prioritize Rules. And then you see both rules. So on this priority page, the rules are listed in order of the priority, with lower priority numbers indicating higher priority. So number 1 would be the first, while number 2 would be the second, in this case the last one. And you can just move them up and down to change the priority. So up, down, and up, etc. You get the drill. So yeah, you can also drag and drop them here by using this. Yeah, I did it, perfect. It's not as intuitive, I would say, because it's a bit small, the area you have to target with your mouse. So just save when you're ready and like this video. Ensure that specific rules, for example, a subsidiary specific rule has a higher priority than general rules. A rule that is an exception to a general rule must have a higher priority than the general rule, obviously. So that's it. Don't forget to visit Kolleno.com for more information and tools to enhance your accounting processes. Thank you for watching.